Lishui Guangyuan Industry Trade Limited Company, which integrates product development, production, sales, and application services. It specializes in the production of bore screws, linear guides, sliders, linear modules, linear shaft, and a series of high-precision, high-technology linear motion products. Many of the products have won national patents and have reached a number of international testing and certification standards. The company is located in Lishui, Zhejiang, China. It covers an area of more than 26,000 square meters and has more than 200 employees, including more than 50 senior technicians. We adopt super technology, set strict corporate standards, and provides meticulous services. And a complete product quality control system has been established, equipped with high-end inspection and testing equipment, such as metallographic microscopes and contour measuring instruments. From raw materials to production, processing, and inspection packaging. The company's production technology level, product quality, and service level have always been in the leading position in the same industry. Our customers come from all over the world, and we have won unanimous recognition and praise from customers. Our company adheres to the concept of high-quality products and efficient service, and takes the creation of customer value as our responsibility. We are looking forward to cooperating with you to create a brilliant future.